Ouch. Oh! I'm dead. They throw a nade? What the hell happened? Oh!
Thanks. Saved my life.
You're welcome.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
No, it's okay. I'm still hungry. You wanna feed me some?
Nah, you're good. You got more than enough. You got it right here. Oh, drones, drones, drones!
Take cover.
Holy shit, it's right here. Hey, shoot it down from right there.
Someone shoot it down.
It'll blow up.
That's good enough. Okay.
Only lost one guy.
That was solid. All things considered, that was a good save. Good job, boys.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I only got shot once.
That's the soft party.
Damn, Slope, did you shoot him in the head, man?
Shot him a little bit.
Yeah, clearly, he can't do that anymore.
Yeah. Oh shit, I'm alive.
I'm on the truck.
Is that a friendly on the truck?
Yes.
Okay.
Take me out of the smoke, I can't see.
Roger. Forward or back?
Forward.
Aye,
Right there, it's good, it's good.
Oh, you just... Sorry, buddy.
Yeah, you just hit him.
Smoke, I can't... I couldn't see any of that. I feel so bad for that. Oh, fuck. Do you think I have to make a claim to my insurance now?
I mean, he's dead, he can't get it, so
Oh, okay.
you should be
You
fine.
need death insurance.
Can't make a claim if you're dead.
Hey. Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay.
That's why every time when you get in a car accident, you have to go to the other car and finish them off.
Yo, the old double tap.
Exactly. Oh my god. Shit. Oh my fucking lord. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. What is this? Oh. Don't have ammo. It does have no. Come on. Holy shit.
Let's go! Let's get him, guys! Come on! Be better! Let's go, Pistol some Jimmy's boys! Let's go! Let's go, National Guard pride!
National Guard. This is the Coast Guard, buddy. We're the Coast Guard. This is what the Coast Guard has to go through every single day.
Amen, brother. Coast Guard, hooah!
Oh my fucking god. That actually fucking scared me, cunt. Jesus. Oh!
No!
What? Fuck am I being shot at? Oh my god! Fuck you! Oh my god! What the fuck?
We're back!
Let's do this again, boys. Let's do this again.
Coast Guard for me.
Shake that shit, boy. Shake that shit. Hell yeah. Oh, you're shaking it. You're getting started with it.
Hey, we thug shake it around here, boys.
Got that thug shaker on
Let's
you,
go,
don't you?
Coast.
Beautiful. Holy! To the left, to the left. Hell yeah, buddy.
To the left, to the left.
Everything you own is a box to... Holy shit! Okay there? Got a hairball?
Yeah, I did that, but I didn't have anywhere to spit. I had to swallow it back up. One shot. God damn it!
Oh no.